Serious games have been, for us, the perfect tool to convert theory into practice.
I would describe it as an eye-opening experience. The editor has given us ease of use. We can build actual simulations for the client and with the client itself. We started by pinpointing the skills that we wanted to teach. We can monitor everything in real time. Whatever we think of, we can deliver.
You inspired me just now with that answer. L&P is a consultancy firm and Gamelearn's official partner in Italy. Andrea Acquaviva and Ariana Ferrari, two of the first pioneers to create their own serious game using the editor, Gamelearn's e-learning authoring tool.
We have found in Gamelearn the perfect partner to bring forward the digital innovation. And serious games have been, for us, the perfect tool to convert theory into practice. We want to bring people a training that becomes natural and organic, and the right to experiment and fail in total safety, like a simulators.
There was something missing in prior education systems. There was just the theory aspect. What we needed was to find a way to bring experience to our clients as well. We believe that our clients should experiment with different approaches. They should learn at their own leisure. And by doing so, we want to theoretical concepts into actual practice through experience. This is why gaming and actual simulations of different scenarios are vital for us.
Especially now, after the pandemic, we say that, the whole video game experience offers you the best of both worlds, where you have that experiential learning that you get from face-to-face training blended with e-learning all at the same time.
Training and gaming is something that happened for a lot of time, and we just forgot about it. If we take chess, for example, it's a form of training for different strategies by gaming. Or even if we look back in time when generals had to play with toy soldiers to test different strategies against different opponents. That is gaming. And this is why we decided to bring gamification to the table.
You inspired me just now with that answer.
The editor has offered different features that are vital for us today. The editor has given us ease of use. So the fact that we don't have to download anything, the fact that the only thing that we need is an internet connection or a browser, it means that we can access games from different platforms, from computers, iPads, phones, everything works. It also gives us the possibility to control progress. We can see at what point a student is. We can monitor everything in real time. And this is very, very important for us and for our client as well. Another vital component of the editor is, of course, customization. The fact that we can choose the content we need and we can choose how to display it. I would describe it as an eye-opening experience. It has been eye-opening for us. It has been eye-opening for our clients, but for our collaborators as well.
We launched the editor in October 2020. So as I said, you guys were, some of the first pioneers to really start using editor. And it's really amazing to hear how you've been able to take this new tool and really make it your own, and provide exactly what your clients need to their tailored and customized to exactly the types of training that they're looking for and deliver in a quick and high quality type of product, right? I think that that's really amazing.
The game itself felt big after a while, but it was organized. Thankfully, it made sense, and our own players had fun when they played it. We started by pinpointing the skills that we wanted to teach, the skills that we thought were important, also thanks to our collaborators. And then when we found all the skills that we needed, we organized our training content and put it into a lesson format. After that, we created a story behind all those skills. And once we created a story, we created all the details around it. So illustrations, comic book strips, smaller stories, even a little bit of humor, everything was made after that. Gamelearn supported us through all our journey. Gamelearn contacted our developers individually to know their own perspective. It followed any concern and it replied to any issue very, very quickly. And also something very important and actually quite surprising, it integrated our own feedback, and it offered tutoring sessions to help us improve and help us get better.
Gamelearn, we thrive on feedback. Obviously, that's personalized feedback is a constructive tool that we use within our serious games. So, of course, when working with our clients, we always take their feedback and integrate that into the tool and also into all of our sessions to make sure that you guys are getting what you need.
It gave us direct contact with the perspective of a game developer, and it was a quite precious experience. And it gave us a model to follow whenever we think about new titles. We know what works and we know what might be an issue. And this is precious data to have. And moreover, it gave us new ideas, new concepts to experiment with, to play with within our own games. It is an experience that I would highly suggest to anyone. The editor is becoming the foundation to create even bigger projects that involve other technologies as well. For instance, we are integrated the editor more and more into our own physical spaces to track skills and to improve upon them. And it's an experience that can only grow, and it's an experience that, thanks to its technology, is very adaptable.
The million-dollar question: would you recommend the editor for use in corporate training? And would you recommend it to other consultancy firms around the world?
Of course.
Definitely.